doing the voice of Little Miss Nikki. And I'm going to send her the clip before the Bears fan do, so he don't look like a superstar. Yeah. That's, hey, when, you know what I'm saying, we're 8 subs, and we just need to make the sub count of 12 for the month, but that helps better the stream, and that helps me get an extra camera overhead to be able to add on to it. That would be one of the greatest things to add to better the stream. So like I said, we're gradually building as we go. I want to remind the Bears fan, I don't think you realize it, man, because of all the success of the streaming and stuff. I stream on very low gear for a reason, because I'm just now experiencing my first payout in September. I was streaming only 15 hours, like once or twice a week when I first started. So the ability to hit affiliate never came into play. I think like Nikki and all the rest of them have been streaming for like 2 years now. So this is the growing period that y'all actually experiencing. So yeah, I'm happy. We were at 10 subs last month, so we increased it to 12. But as we start adding more, we're adding more hours in now. Now I can increase the subs for folks, and that will help me better my stream by getting more better equipment. And food is not cheap, but I have been working my hand to create fun stuff, because I grew up as a single guy cooking for a long time, and I knew how to stay cooking good stuff on a budget, right? So luckily that skill came into play as a streamer, food and drink streamer, where I just basically, and I've learned to create a niche where I actually just make good fun food straight out the fridge as like leftovers, and people like it. So the Bears fan, I appreciate you brought that up. That is a great thing. I think Darth Bucker brought that up as well. But as we keep doing our streams and growing and improving and and building more subs and stuff like that, those things will come. And then people like you and everybody else that support like that will be acknowledged and talked about and be a part of the journey as well. Because without y'all, I can't be able to improve my streams. So I watched everybody improve their streams as they got growing with fellow loyal followers and gifted subs and stuff like that to help them. I've seen Darth grow his stuff tremendously as I followed him. I've seen everybody. I've seen Little Miss Nikki, everybody grow tremendously as they slowly picked up on certain things to grow their stuff. So yeah, it will be coming, I tell you. Gotta eat, Tiny. Make sure you put an exclamation point lurk, so you can hang in the chill lands, and when you get a chance, come on back. The overhead cam would be dope. I can set that up. Now, once that does happen, Coco is looking at me like, give me the darn food and stop talking. But as that come into play, we will switch over from IRL to OBS and start adding that camera. I can't add a camera on IRL, but I can add it on OBS setup. I think, don't quote me on that. Like I said, I'm not an amateur, and I don't have tech people at this moment. I'm making it work as I go, buddy. Makes me want to throw an egg in that bad boy. Yeah, I think people get a little misconstrued about it. I think they think I'm like on the dopest level because of my ability to. I've been streaming on Instagram and Facebook, so I know how to talk on camera. But this whole new thing of Twitch, being acclimated and seeing all the nice, when I saw all that stuff, it was very intimidating. I was like, where did they get that camera? How did they get that second thing? Oh my God, this looks like a freaking... And then I looked on my OBS and I was like, oh, okay, I see how they do it. And I was like, yeah, I want to imitate that, but at the same time, I want to innovate and be a little bit different than the others. So I'm trying to figure out ways to make that work out. I appreciate everybody who's been doing the gifted subs and got me up before. Like I said, we're at 8 subs, and the goal was 12. So we're 4 away from the goal, and that will be contributed to the payout to be able to pay homage and make sure. But when those folks that sub, I gotta realize something. They just like the folks in my Discord community. I give them back extra stuff. There's extra gifts that I give, extra perks that comes in with that. I make sure that they get everything that I do first. Content, merchandise, anything that comes in, any prizes that are happening. I will be giving out free stuff in this community, in these streams, even without the sub go at the moment. But September is going to be a good one. It's going to be called September, they call it. So September is going to be a cool month. We got the fundraising with Starlight. I got to put that out again. So it's going to be a lot going on. But all this stuff is improving my streams as we go. So I love where I'm at right now, and I appreciate y'all so much. I believe my chicken is pretty much done, and we got to get Coco something to eat real quick. We're going to get Coco something to eat. Me like it. Okay, I got my spoon over there. What the hell? Go give me a second. I'll be on to get your food. That chicken is almost done. Yeah, thank God I am a personal chef. Because like I said, the whole idea of doing these cooks. The Bears fan! One more And on top of that, I gotta give you a celebration, bro. Gotta give you a celebration, thank you. Celebration, thank you. Coco, you just wanted to wait. I get all this about it. You gonna have to wait, Coco. I see more action. I see it. I might have missed it. We're checking again. Look at that. We are gifting me. We got gift subs going like crazy. Oh, thank you, the Bears fan. The Bears fan is starting the hype train. We got 0 up in the house. Giving out 4 gift subs. Oh my gosh, we are on fire today. Whoa. We're about to definitely make the goal now, baby. Oh, I think 0 must have heard me doing an impression of little Miss Nikki being a Packers fan. He probably was lurking here. We on the side goal. We hit it hard with 200 feet. Oh, we're going bananas right now. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah. We hit the goal. 12 subs with 200 biddies of it can't tick. It is going on fire. I think we got a hype train going, y'all. Holy crap. Yeah. Oh, man. Look at Kitty in the house coming in here. Oh, my goodness. You just come in, Kitty Cat? Yes, you did come in, Kitty Cat. It is going bananas right now. What the heck? We got, yeah, Kitty Cat had popped up in here. Y'all must have called Kitty up in here. I seen Kitty in there earlier. Hello, thank you. This is Chef. Hey, this is Chef George from George Hot Dogs and Barbecue. Glad you came in here. We're about to finish out. Official Eric with the 24 biddies. That's what's up. We are there hanging it out, getting it going. Y'all are making my anniversary month great because this is the year subscribing, and we're going into that first payout of September coming up, and we hit the goal. Wow, it looks like we're taking it to the next level already with the next level folks that are supportive. Y'all guys are amazing. I tell you what, we got to go and talk about Starlight. We got to talk about Starlight. This chicken is pretty much done. I'm about to put some more chicken on. We're doing smothered chicken, y'all. Smothered chicken with rice and vegetables. So we're going to see the close shot. You know, through the middle of this streaming and everything, I've learned to master doing the best with the one shot. Does anybody know that in the production community? Doing your best with the one shot. And a lot of the close-ups, I clip them off. This chicken is done. And we won't be needing that pretty soon. We'll be having another camera coming up, and we'll be streaming on another level. And I'm doing them YouTube showcases for our food and drink community as well. So this is going to be some fun stuff.